Welcome to Contracting Conversations. My name is Jim Valley, and I'm joined by my co-host, Scott Williams. Today, we're talking with Dr. Gigi McRae, DAU's Learning Asset Manager for SBP 2010, which is the Intermediate Small Business Programs, Part A. Gigi, thanks for joining us today. Welcome back.
Thanks for giving me an opportunity to talk about the course.
Great to have you. We're looking forward to talking about other courses later. And so what can you tell us about this course in particular?
Well, this is the second course in a sequence of online courses for the SBP credential. SBP 2010 builds on the participants what they have learned in 1010 with an overview of small business programs and small business systems. We take a more advanced look into maximizing opportunities for small businesses throughout the acquisition process, which includes market research, building a solicitation, source selection and evaluation, and contract award, also the post-award process. Participants will learn to describe the importance of small business, how it's important to the industrial base, and apply the appropriate small business programs and initiatives to support the decision-making process. They'll also learn to keep up with opportunities for small businesses during market research. They'll learn to key on those opportunities and advise the acquisition team of small business elements of the solicitation, and they'll continue to advocate for small businesses throughout the evaluation and source selection process, as well as after contract award. So those are the things that the learner can expect to learn in SBP 2010.
Great, Gigi. Sounds like a really cool course. What are the type of students who would be the expected target audience for SBP 2010?
This course is designed to prepare mid-level small business professionals to work as an integral part of the acquisition team. However, we cover all phases of the acquisition process, since the small business administration programs and policies impact the roles and responsibilities of the entire acquisition team, making it beneficial for other acquisition professionals as well. For example, in this course, we discuss Project Spectrum as an outreach program to reach small businesses with cybersecurity capabilities. The DoD Office of Small Business Programs, or OSBP, is supporting its partners to increase the cyber knowledge base to raise the overall level of cybersecurity hygiene. This is a critical area with a major gap between current capability and need for the acquisition as a whole, not just to maximize small business opportunities. So it's not just the course for small business professionals. It's a course for several different disciplines. It could be logistics. It can be program management. A lot of the things that are covered for small business, since it's throughout the acquisition process and we're supporting the acquisition team, supports the acquisition as a whole.
All right. Thanks, Gigi. So tell me, how does this course facilitate the transfer of learning for the students in their workplace?
So this course and all of our small business courses, as we develop these courses, we work directly with the DoD OSBP to align learning with their strategic plan. Project Spectrum, the one I just spoke on, is one example of learning that gets transferred to the workplace that aligns with the OSBP strategic plan. Another is APEC Accelerator, formerly known as Procurement Technical Assistance Program. This program provides the education and training to ensure that all businesses become capable of participating in federal, state, and local government contracts. At their workplaces, SBPs will use their outreach programs to help a wide range of businesses participate in the defense supply chain. The DoD OSBP aligns with what is expected of participants in the workplace. We work closely with the DoD OSBP to ensure the course content aligns with the strategic plan to transfer learning to the workplace.
Okay, great. Sounds very interesting and a very useful course. So how are the students assessed in this course? Obviously, the students, that's probably one of the most important things they care about besides the transferring and learning.
Okay, well, 2010 like the prerequisite, the 1010 course, are both online courses. And like almost all of our online courses with DAU, students will be given 3 attempts to pass an online exam with a minimum score of 80%. If 80% is not achieved after the first attempt, the student will be given a second attempt with the number of questions rated as incorrect on the first attempt. Although the questions will not be the same questions that were missed on the first attempt, the new questions will likely be based on the same learning objective. This process will be repeated if a third attempt is needed. If the student is unsuccessful after the third attempt, the student may have to complete the course by re-enrolling to take the course again. After completing the course, however, we would appreciate if students would complete the end-of-course survey.
All right. Thanks, Gigi. Yeah, the survey is key to improving our courses. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Gigi, can a student sign up for SBP 2010, the Intermediate Small Business Program Part A, without signing up for the entire credential in which it's contained?
Absolutely. One of the benefits of having these specialized courses throughout our credentials is that an individual or their organization can design their training to fit their need. However, we recommend all Level 1 SBP courses be completed prior to taking any Level 2 courses, and that the courses be taken in sequential order. That's encouraged, but it's not mandatory. It's not that it has to be done that way, but we do encourage to take the courses in sequential order because they build on one another.
Great. Thanks, Gigi. We appreciate you coming to the show today to discuss another really outstanding course in the SBP lineup that DAU is offering.
Okay, you're quite welcome.
Well, folks, look for the next segment with Gigi, where we're going to talk with her about another course, SBP 2020V, a virtual course, the Intermediate Small Business Programs Part B, which is soon to be deployed. But that's all the time we have for today. But please, if you haven't already, subscribe to our Contracting Conversations channel. Type any comments below to include your questions for future discussions. And spread the word of this channel to your peers and to those you supervise or lead. Let us help you answer their questions, and we look forward to having future contracting conversations with you.